Good day, folks. Today on the show, we're going to try to get this C4101 CNF from Lima going. I don't know about you, but I've never really seen one like this. I didn't know they existed. Maybe you did. You can write in the comments, tell me what you think about it. But I got this off of eBay. Seller said it wasn't running. When we tested it, it didn't run. So the lights came on, but that's about it. So today we're going to try to get it going, and then we're going to test it out. Alright, first we're going to flip this over like this. Take our handy dandy screwdriver. There's two screws, if you can see right there, you got to take out. Well, there you have it. It come out, the other screw, there's the other screw. And so, here, let's try before we get too far along. I have my leads right here. Let's see if we can just get the motor to run. Maybe not. See if we can get it running with just the leads. Right here. Nothing. Alright, let's see if we can figure out how to remove this motor. Oh, look at that. I'm not seeing it. Big old weight just be done with. Alright, we're gonna take these trucks off, these wheels off. I wasn't seeing where we could remove those wheels. Alright, and then, well, that was interesting. So, this truck here, this wheel is part of the gear system. Let's see. Alright, that's, if you look on here, should be, oh, okay. Alright, there we go. Got these gears off. Let's see. Oh, one of those jobber doers. See if we can get her to go now. If there's something else wrong with it. I was hoping that I could. All right. Okay, we're gonna take this motor apart. course. Oh, nothing simple. There we go. Alright, there's the one brush. Here, we're going to get these brushes out. The spring. Here we're just trying to get the brushes picked up, the springs out, and get the motor disassembled so we can clean up the rotor. Doesn't look burned or nothing, if you look. So we're going to clean up this armature here. Maybe. It's a good old fiberglass pencil. Seen a fellow over there in main line, STM main line. I think I said that guy. I said it right. Told me about. I seen about this pencil. I tell you, works really, really good. Alright. Actually looks pretty decent in this motor. Other than the fact there's no lube. And missing a spring. Well, that ain't good. Where'd the other spring go? That could be why it wasn't working. 2 brushes and no spring. Alright. Alright, we got some Q-tips here. Put some alcohol on here because I gotta tell you that I like alcohol. It dries up. It'll get this all cleaned up. A little disappointed in the manufacturer here. The way they made this, they didn't put no gears stuff in there, so alright, we're gonna clean this up. That's kind of cool, the whole thing. This goes on here like this. Kind of cool the way they did this. But anyway, we're gonna. Part of the problem with this motor is there's no lube. So we're gonna try to lube this up real good, clean this off, and we're gonna lube it up. Alright. I use a couple of different oils. This is Marvel's Air Tool oil. It's in case you're wondering, this is grease. It's supposed to be grease that you can use to little dab will do ya. wondering, part of the problem here with this is the fact that this wasn't lubed, although gotta be really careful that we don't get the lube on the commutator, because it will have some serious issues then. Oh yeah, that's better. Alright. I'm going to try to do this. Basically take these springs. I don't want to go. Can you hear them? They're saying, I don't want to go back in that hole. There's one. Tweezers, I'd never be able to get them in there. There's two. Probably the best way of doing this was to unsolder those wires. Wow. Take our Q-tip and put it on here. while I'm trying to fling these across the room. Yeah, I'm not much for talking, so you'll have to forgive me. I'm trying to get these stupid. Of course, not either one of them wants to stay in there. I'm going to use a scale to try to. That ain't working either. All right, we did a whole bunch of work off camera. You can see we put some shrink wrap on the wires. Worked on this stuff up here. We soldered a whole bunch of these wires because they come loose. Clean stuff up. I thought I got this in here good, but I didn't. So I had to clean all that up. And then also I clean up back here. Got it all cleaned up. I think I got it going now. You'll have to forgive me. I did a bunch of stuff off camera. It was just easier. So, but I think we got it running. And this is a weight. Some point I'm gonna have to secure it in here. But here, let's see what we got going on now. Get our test track right in here. If you notice this little test track It's just for testing stuff. It works great for what I do. So let's try it. Let's see what happens. The other way. Back. All right, let's put the shell back on, and then we'll see. We'll go from there. And believe it or not, there is a right way and a wrong way of putting this stupid shell on, which I found out. Put it on the wrong way, and the screws don't. I think I put it in the wrong way. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we don't. Alright, we gotta get these wires fixed, situated. Let's try it this way. I think that's it. Well, we'll find out in a minute. Alright, let's put her back on our test track for a few minutes and see what we got. Alright. Now obviously my test track is a lot longer than this, but and it's running much better now. We still got some more work to do on it, and but tell me what you think. This is an interesting model if you've seen it before. I've never seen one like this, but we got it going and it's running good. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you have a great day. Hey, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Helps me out a lot. Thank you, and hopefully we'll get some more stuff and get a little bit of better video. And all right, have a great day.